standing in my living room. And they do not have a phone number anywhere either. That's sick.
5, 4,
I don't have a phone.
3, 2, 1.
We're dancing. Blue. Dancing soon.
Microphone activated.
Watch your health. Next round, so that's all Gucci.
Huda in the Huda.
Good for the logs.
That.
We need to soak those, otherwise they're just gonna keep.
Yeah, I'm
Microphone
trying, but
muted.
I can go there now, then I'm gonna bait a bad.
Don't take a thing out of socket, man.
I'll go soak.
Carnage.
We're moving.
To the middle. Dodging towards the lightning next. There's one behind both. Yeah, good. You just make sure you do good baits here.
Oh, I'm fucking other side.
Oh, that's fine.
Lucky, I guess.
Oh, I thought you meant that that was your bait, but. Towards the middle again.
Are we good on timings?
I'm gonna push in like 10, I
Microphone
think.
activated.
So yeah, during this, anytime during this cast is fine. At least for my cooldowns, I don't know if I don't like to fire though.
Fan up.
Pushing from boss. Watching from ad in a sec. Dodging from ad. Don't get hit by this shit.
Okay,
I need to
GG's.
tricks this to the tank. Dodging from boss, dodging from boss. Probably need to put some damage into ad, then we're dodging from ads.
Flip on rally.
I need to put some damage into this ad when it's in.
Let's go to rally.
Myth PS now.
Dodging from ad. Can hit boss, can hit boss. Dodging from boss. Boss.
Personal.
Brief torch.
Resting, I'm resting.
Quick torch. I got some of it.
Yeah, I got full channel.
Yes.
Beautiful death, Josh.
Bad death.
It's a... never mind, I'll talk about it after.
I'm gonna pre-salt on someone or
No.
they use the tactical death.
Soak if you're supposed to. On the next soak, you're using a
Bombs
small
in
personal.
4.
Zombie under the stone, dude.
On this, you're using a small personal, guys. Melee just move forward. Melee forward and range back. They have some room.
You taunts. Aliens. Bombs in 2.
Out with bombs. Hold it towards middle.
You drag it next to the guy. Well, actually, it's fine.
Fine, just focus the boss.
I'll get the
fix
ads to the
this.
boss.
Yeah. Second pot if you have here.
Just do it whenever you have damage, yeah?
Yeah. Dodge from
Dodge
boss.
boss.
We're dodging from boss.
when
Dodging
you're
from
ready.
mad. Dodging from mad. Mad one through boss. 2 through boss.
I'm stunned. Give me a
Rest,
plus.
rest. Personals.
I'll get the boss soon. But
From the grief torch reset if you get it back here. Dodging
Dodge.
from boss, dodging from boss. Whatever you have left there.
And from ad.
That one you're gonna get the ad coming as well.
Just press stuff on left when you go.
Everyone hit the boss. Rally gigs as well.
Use personals.
Everything I have left. Solo these. Side these.
He's vibing.
Two side these. Oh, nice.
Nice.
Oh, who fucking slapped it?
Boys.
Word of
Smurfs.
mouth.
What's that mean?
I don't feel the
Good boy.
weight.